Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 in an LT trim and powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a lift installed, as you can probably tell, with some offset off-road tires and rims, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear, running boards down below, headache rack on the back with side rails, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have spacious seating for three with a nice leather or vinyl interior. I honestly can't tell. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 63,532 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip A and B, fuel range, so your distance to empty, oil life, fuel economy, fuel filter, diesel exhaust fluid, and then you have your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as your options, so settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, we have your cruise controls, and then you have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. And then to the left of the steering wheel, where you have your trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls, and your lighting controls. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is Radio Sirius CD, which there's evidently a CD inside right now, and Bluetooth, and I believe also auxiliary. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your OnStar navigation, messages from paired phones or devices. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And then moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures, while also having heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And down below that, you have your traction control shut off, your box cargo lights, your park assist sensor shut off, hill descent assist, and diesel exhaust brake. Do also have a phone mount there, which can always be removed. And then down below, you have a 12-volt, 115-volt power outlet, I believe. And then this compartment for storage. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, with your tow haul mode button at the end of the stalk. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, 3 cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest, with 2 USBs, your auxiliary, and 12-volt inside, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio from there. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.